Today we're replacing the tired battery in this 2023 Honda Odyssey. Open the hood and start by removing the plastic trim panel across the front of the engine bay. Remove the retaining clips and lift the panel out of the way. Next, remove the air intake snorkel to gain access to the battery. With the snorkel removed, take off the battery hold-down bracket. Always remove the negative battery cable first. The vehicle's metal body is connected to the negative side of the battery. If the positive cable is removed first and the tool touches metal, it can cause a short circuit and create an electrical arc that at very least will make you shit yourself. Removing the negative cable first disconnects the ground and makes removing the positive cable safer. Loosen and remove the negative battery terminal, followed by the positive terminal. Next, remove the top section of the battery box. The old battery can now be lifted out of the van. Before installing the new battery, vacuum out the battery tray and remove any dirt or debris that has collected underneath it. Lower the new battery into place. Make sure it is sitting correctly and that the positive and negative terminals are on the proper sides. Reinstall the top of the battery box, followed by the battery hold-down bracket. Tighten the hold-down securely so the battery cannot move while the van is being driven. Now the battery cables can be reconnected. During installation, connect the positive battery terminal first. This is important for the same reason the negative terminal was removed first. With the negative cable still disconnected, accidentally touching metal while tightening the positive terminal is less likely to complete a circuit and cause an arc. That will in turn make it less likely that you poo yourself. Once the positive terminal is tight, install the negative terminal. Check both connections to make sure they are secure and cannot move by hand. With the battery installed, put the air intake snorkel back into position. Install and fasten the retaining clips. Finally, place the front plastic trim cover back over the engine bay. Line up the clips and press them back into place. The battery replacement is complete. The old battery is out, the new battery is secured, and everything removed for access has been reinstalled. The 2023 Honda Odyssey is ready to go.